Hi everyone, I'm Sophie from Supplies for Candles, and today I'm going to show you how to make a container candle with our very own brand ParaSoy Container Wax. ParaSoy Melt Wax is biodegradable, vegan-friendly and cruelty-free. It's a blend of soy wax, paraffin wax and vegetable wax and is so easy to use. To make a ParaSoy candle, you're going to need a set of weighing scales, a glass or heat-proof bowl, a pouring jug, your container, a wick centering tool, wick stickum, a pan, a hob and hot plate and your chosen fragrance oil. ParaSoy wax comes in 10K slabs and can be easily chiselled off or split in half. Step 1. Wick your container. I have chosen our 20cl glass container and our TCR 2716 wick. To wick your candle, make sure your container is clean and dry and use a wick stickum to place your wick at the centre of your candle glass. Step 2. Melt your wax. For this container, I have weighed out 160 grams of wax and I will transfer this to my pan. I'm going to heat this to around 80 degrees Celsius and use my thermometer to monitor the temperature of the wax. Make sure you do not exceed 80 degrees as this could affect the quality and the colour of the wax. With our wax now melted, it is now time to add our fragrance oil. I have already decanted my wax into my pouring jug and have chosen my favourite fragrance oil from Supplies for Candles. I have pre-weighed my fragrance oil and I have about 6% here. ParaSoy wax is specifically designed to hold a high level of fragrance oil. However, a good starting point is always 6%. I can see my wax has now cooled close to pouring temperature, so it is time to add our fragrance oil. As I add my fragrance oil, I'm going to stir it thoroughly but gently to make sure the wax and fragrance oil blend together to create a strong scent through. With our fragrance and wax combined, our mixture is now ready to go into the container. I'm going to add our wick centering tool to keep the wick steady as we pour the wax, and I'm going to pour around a 1 centimetre gap from the top. This specifically formulated blend boasts low shrinkage and sets with a beautifully smooth and fully flat surface, with little need for a second pour. For the final step, I've allowed my candle to cool for around 24 hours and I've trimmed the wick to about 5mm. And here is my finished candle. We hope you enjoy making your ParaSoy candle and we can't wait to see your finished results. Don't forget to tag us at Supplies for Candles and hashtag SFC Feature Me and My ParaSoy Candle.